We're in Miami. We're in a district of Miami called Wynwood, and we are at a quite phenomenal place called Walt Grace Vintage, where an absolute nut job, who I identify with quite heavily, called Bill Goldstein, has built this emporium for fetishistic lovers of guitars and cars. So we have quite a lot in common. We've been here for a couple of days, soaking it up, meeting people, showing people what we do, and I've been walking around with my mouth open, looking at some pretty amazing guitars and some pretty amazing cars. I've been eyeing this 1966 vintage Fender Jaguar, so I'm working on a payment scheme with Bill in order to acquire it, so I can become a proper shoegazer. He's provided this amazing opportunity for us to show our stuff in Miami during the Art Week here. And it's brilliant. I just feel I've met a kindred spirit. He has been burdened or blessed with the same kind of problems that I've got, and things having to be done a certain way to his liking. And I think we've bonded, and hopefully we'll be friends forever. But no, it's been a fantastic experience.
I'm Bill Goldstein. I'm the founder of Walt Grace Vintage. It's a vintage car and guitar gallery. We celebrate the artistry, not the utility necessarily of both vintage cars and vintage guitars. It's something I've always said, and then until I met Rob, I don't think I ever met someone that got it, that I didn't need to explain what I'm about to say. But perfection is the starting point. And he's starting with a 964, the most perfect Porsche ever, and making it perfect plus, you know? And you get in there, he hasn't changed any of the soul of the car. He's actually amplified the things as a Porscheophile, someone that lives and breathes and drinks Porsche, you know, daily, especially 964s. I have to say, I did not expect to feel what I felt. And I was telling Rob this, what I'm telling you now, and I just had chills. I said, look, you can't fake this, man. This is real. Like, that's how well you've done it. And I don't meet a lot of people in life that have that attention to detail, but also detail driven by passion. Not by dollars, not by anything. You know, so I have no idea what people say, oh, what are you doing here? I was like, I don't know, but did you see how cool this is or what this looks like? So to meet Rob, you know, and to have that experience was really tremendous for me. I think for both of us, because we don't meet a lot of crazies like each of us are.
I love it here. It's great. It's a different energy to Los Angeles. We've been down in this developing part of the city that's hyper colorful, hyper trendy, hyper stylish, people, places, graffiti, energy, just pretty loose actually. Amazingly, after 15 years, it's the first time we've turned up to this part of the world and shown the cars. A lot of people can come and see them. And it's amazing. It's the environment that they're put in here at Walt Grace is just perfect. And the welcoming friendship and openness here is great. It's brilliant to meet a bunch of folks that are saying nice things about what we do. It's brilliant. Yeah.